This multi-chiller. Multi-chiller is bad. The switch is bad. I want to try to change the. I want to change this wire. That's the switch wire. Okay. Okay, just a minute. Wow, that's great. This is a multi-functional chiller with just one chamber that is actually big. Just came all the way from China. This is nice. It has been working, and you can see that's why the snow is here like this, because of the chilledness of it. There's the other door. Okay, this door has been open like that. Okay, it's working perfectly. Wow, that's great.